Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the keypad ID and also the keypad notice mode. Okay, let's back and go to setting, and we need to go to F2. This is for setting the notice mode of the keypad. Confirm. Okay, 0, you can press again to confirm. 0 means no beep and vibration, so we can check back. Okay, you can see that there's no sound anymore. And now let's change it again. And the 1 means confirm. Okay, it's beep, so if you change to 1, it will beep again. And so we can set again. The number 2, which is vibration, and press this one to confirm. Okay, you can hear there are vibrations. So this is how to set the keypad ID notice mode. And also let me show you how to change the keypad ID. The keypad ID is for you if you want to use multiple keypads with one pager. So you will need to change the keypad ID to the same numbers. Then they will work all together with one pager and all other pagers if you want. It's F4 setting. So now we in F4, you can see the keypad ID is 108. So if you want the other keypad to call these pagers, you just need to change the other keypad to this one. Number will be fine. But if you don't need, don't change it normally, because if you change the keypad ID, you will need to change the pagers setting as well, and you need to repair all the pagers if you change the ID. And that's it. And besides, and for this up and down, which means the recent calls. So these two are I called recently. So that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us by support@retekess.com. Thank you.